Hey guys, Steve, AAA Trucks, Monroe, Georgia, out here on a beautiful day. But I'm seeing nothing but blue. This is our stock number LY5958. We got a lot of these. I'm repeating myself on every video, but man, these are great trucks. Double bunk condo, fresh DOT, 128-point inspection. Rolling into DD Detroit DD15. Horsepower is 455. It's an automatic transmission for you guys who don't like to shift gears. Here's the super singles. All of these trucks come in with super singles, sliding fifth wheel. If you want to swap out the singles, talk to your sales rep, which will be Steve or Tyler. These are fleet maintained. Got the electric APU. Very, very clean. Collision mitigation system. I know that a lot of companies require that. Let's look on the inside here. Oh, the radio works. Nice and clean. You're not going to have any problems enjoying the inside of this truck. So let's step out and try not to break my neck. But you can see coming out here, this is a beautiful truck. And I don't know why the guy just drove by ruining my video, but I'm too far into it. So come on down to AAA Trucks in Monroe, Georgia. Take a test drive and we'll get you rolling.